Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to type on Google Sheet. So first thing we're gonna do is open the Google Sheet by click the application of Sheets, and after that just go into this plus button over here to start the new documents, and after that put the title here. Okay, and after that just click create. And now how to type in Google Sheet is just so simple. You just need to click which or where you want to have the text in. So there will be called a rows. Rows is the number on the horizontally, and columns is a alphabet with the verticals sections here. So how to type it, you just need to click this like this until it's being active. It will be like signed by the blue color all over the border here, and after that you can click the enter text or formula, or you also can do by clicking these pencils. And after that you just simply put whatever you want to have on the column. Let me do a number, and after that if you want to move to the next cells, you can go just by clicking the next cells and put the next information. It will be directly active since you move from the previous active cells. Just add the information like date. Okay, and after that just go into the next column and go with the name, and so on and so on. So that's all guys, how the way you type on Google Sheet. If you find out this tutorial is very useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.